HOFC, an online working environment for companies incorporating augmented reality. Executive Summary. HOFC has embarked on an ambitious plan to create a new software application product, a scalable inventory software application product to provide the user with an online office environment in the forthcoming years. A critical component of software sales will be tech support and product modifications. HOFC will receive one third of gross sales. It is projected that the application will receive Rs 50 lakhs by May of next year from product sales and customization services. Objective. The objectives of a company are as follows: establish the company as a leader in inventory application software products, increase sales by 20%, develop one new inventory application product per year. Mission. The mission of HOFC is to create inexpensive application software that will be scalable so customer modification can be easily added. It will provide the customer with an online office setup to create a virtual office environment for its employees. Company Summary. HOFC creates scalable inventory software product that can be customized to meet customers' needs. Our application software is unique as it can provide a virtual environment of an office to the user. It also gives the privacy of information storage and access of data safely and securely. Our software engineers can add enhancement to the product that will tailor the product features of the customer's specific needs. Our agenda is to create an office environment at home using augmented reality. In this video, we will look over the following headings: product overview, the competition, go-to-market, and execution plan. Product overview. In this heading, we will cover the following subheadings: customer profile, product description, value proposition, product roadmap, and strategic features. Customer profile. Our company targets all the big MNCs to provide office-like services to them during this time of need. Our company will target MNCs in the field of research, information technology, customer support, and e-commerce. Product description. Our product will help MNCs to create a virtual environment of the offices for its employees to work from home during this COVID-19 situation and forthcoming years. Through our application software, the company can have conferences, online meetings, assign work with deadlines, assess its employees' work progress, recruit people online, and store company's confidential data safely. Our privacy policy will make the MNCs access their data safely and securely through our app. Our app will serve as an online office to the MNCs, which will help them improve their efficiency and productivity. Value proposition. The benefits of our product are as follows: it will provide data security and employee interaction and is very easy to use. Anyone can tell with the experience of the product usage that it provides privacy protection, external brain, and store company's information. The features of our product are that it can sync across devices, it includes cloud computing, and support data security and data access. Our customer wants employee interaction, wants to share data with company staff, and wants a single system for all of that. He fears data loss and no online office setup is available for that. Our customer needs data security, end-to-end data encryption, and cloud computing. Product roadmap. First, we will register ourselves as a company. Then, we will create a team. We will design website and create MVP. Then we will run on pilot mode or beta phase, loop in feedback, and then we will relaunch our product in big metropolitan cities. Strategic features. First feature is of online meetings and conferences. Second feature is of data retrieval and storage using cloud storage. And third feature is employee interaction incorporating augmented reality. Let's go to the competition. Under this heading, we will be covering the following headings: industry overview, competitive analysis, and product SWOT analysis. Let's go to the industry overview. Here, as you can see, This is the bar graph for global video conferencing app market size. It is predicted that till 2022, the need for the app would increase so much that every company would require a video conferencing app for its usage. Let's go to the competitive analysis. Trey Research. Through our research, we found that Microsoft Teams, Zoom app, Google Meet, and Webnix are giving major competition to HOFC application software. But much space is available for the launch and usage of this app in the market. HOFC app will provide competitive service. It will provide an office-like environment that would be incorporated using augmented reality. Better meetings and video conferences would be made possible. Data access and work assignment with deadline would be made possible. Data security and privacy policy would be incorporated to meet the needs of MNCs. Let's go to the product SWOT analysis. S here stand for strength, W for weakness, O for opportunities, T for threats. Let's go to the S, strengths. Creating an online working environment by incorporating augmented reality. W, weaknesses. Our product may not cater a wide range of needs and create large recruitment opportunities. O, for opportunities. Our company aims to create job opportunities for software developers and IT support professionals. T, threats, connectivity issues faced by the employee working for the company. Let's go to the market. Here, in this heading, we will be covering the following subheadings: marketing plan and product launch plan. Marketing plan. The price of our app will be rupees 1,100 per host per annum. Product: HOFC, an application software to provide office-like environment at home. Place: it is based in AG Enterprises, Delhi. Promotions: we would be promoting our product on social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Product launch plan. First, we will run our program as a beta version which will be launched in Delhi. Then we would incorporate feedback from pilot program to the final product. We will launch the final version in metropolitan cities. We will create marketing campaign using above the line marketing through social networking sites. We will collaborate with various institutions and organizations. Let's go to the final execution plan. Our team comprises of CEO, executive assistant, under whom would be working VP Finance, VP Technology, VP Operations, VP Production, VP Assistants, and the lawyer. They would be assisted by accounting personnel, project manager, product manager, and the customer support. The product budget of our company is that we will get a server cost with 1.5 lakhs per annum, app development cost would be 15 lakhs per annum, app maintenance cost would be 10 lakhs per annum, finance cost would be 5 lakhs per annum, marketing person would cost 5 lakhs per annum, and the lawyer will cost 2 lakhs per annum. Thank you.